Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Catalyst Hub. I am back with the latest recruitment update from a Central University. So before starting, if you are new to my channel, please make sure to press the subscribe button to never miss any information in future. Hit like button if it helped you and comment for any other communication regarding the notification. So without any further ado, let's get started. The recent notification is from a Central University. I provided a link in the description box. These are the advertisements for guest faculty. The link I provided will directly take you to this page, wherein you can click on the recruitment first and then the application form, which is present in MS Word format. So the notification is from a Central University. It is in Nagaland. These are the recruitment positions for guest faculty. Nagaland University has 3 campuses. One is Lumani campus, another one is in Merima, it is Kohima campus, and the third one is in Medzi Fema, and there is this last one in Dimapur. There are these terms and conditions which we'll get at the end of the video. So in Lumani campus we have departments, total 7 departments ranging from physics, zoology, mathematics, environmental science, botany, economics and geography. So the number of guest faculties are also presented, which are 2 each, and for economics there are 1, we can see. The desirable area of specialization for physics department should be theoretical condensed matter physics, electronics. For zoology, it should be developmental biology, endocrinology and reproductive physiology and ecology. For maths, the desirable area should be PDE, commutative algebra, computer oriented numerical analysis. And for environmental science, the desirable area will be geosciences, geomorphology, geochemistry and atmospheric sciences. For botany, there are 2 categories. One is lower plant morphology and anatomy, reproductive biology, and second is cytogenetics and plant breeding, bioinformatics, molecular biology. For economics, there are this desirable range is open to all. Geography, it is applied geography and stats, and the address for submission of application form should be to the Assistant Registrar Establishment for Nagaland University, Lumani. And the email is also given. You can mail the MS Word application document to the given mail ID if you're interested for Lumani campus. For the Kohima campus, there are 6 categories, 6 departments, and 2 positions for each course. And for Tenidai, it is 1, which is a language course for the Kohima campus, and the address for submission of application is to be into the reference of Pro Vice Chancellor of Nagaland University, and the email is provided there. Departments like management, the desirable area should be marketing, finance, human resource management, that is HRM, linguistics. In linguistics, the area should be phonology, morphology. Second should be socio-linguistic, historical, linguistic and lexicography. For Hindi, it is open. Teacher education में pedagogy of social sciences and pedagogy of science. Psychology, it is open. Tenidai में the area should be English literature and Tenidai literature. For Medzi Fema, the School of Agricultural Sciences and Rural Development, there are these 8 positions in it, mostly referring to agricultural. First is agricultural economics, 2 positions. Genetics and plant breeding, 1 position. Agricultural chemistry and soil sciences, 2 positions. Entomology, 1 position. Soil and water conservation, 1 position. In which even PhD in environmental science or MSc with NET in environmental science can also apply for this soil and water conservation. For rural development and planning, 1 faculty position for rural development or agricultural extension or rural management. People from masters in social work can also apply for this position. Seventh is agricultural extension, wherein entrepreneurship, development, and transfer of agricultural technology. Last is our agricultural engineering, two positions, and wherein first can be soil and water conservation engineer, wherein MTech environmental engineers can also apply for this position. And second is for maths. The last campus, last college in Nagaland University School of Engineering and Technology, it's in Dimapur. There are the 6 departments: agriculture and engineering technology, 4 guest faculty positions for farm machinery and power, soil and water engineering, third is food engineering, and fourth is open. Biotechnology, 2 guest faculty positions, desirable can be MTech biotechnology people. Computer science and engineering, 3 positions, desirable can be computer science and engineering or information technology. Fourth is our electronics and communication engineering, 3 positions, desirable knowledge of electronics and communication engineering, BTech or MTech can apply. Information technology, 1 position for information technology. Common pool under School of Engineering and Technology, wherein there are these 6 positions: 1 for mechanical engineering, for physics, for chemistry, maths, electrical engineering, and for English. So these are the 4 campus of Nagaland University. Now let's move to the terms and conditions. And for the Dimapur campus, the mail ID is to be in reference to the Dean, SET, Nagaland University, DC Code Junction, and the mail ID is given. You can mail the PDF form, the Word form of your application. So the terms and conditions are: the qualification for guest faculty should be the same as those prescribed for regular assistant professor of universities as per UGC regulations 2018, ICAR, AICTE, NCTE regulations, which is, in short, the people who have completed their masters with at least 55% and have cleared their net with good score can apply for this. And people with masters can also apply, but they'll be given second preference. Then is our intending candidates should send self-attested copies of their certificates and mark sheets from HSLC onwards in support of their educational qualification, that is high school level exams, class 10 to your latest degree. You can self-attest them, and with certificates and mark sheets you can upload it. Original must be produced at the time of interview for verification. The honorarium for the guest faculty shall be rupees 1500 per lecture, subject to a maximum of rupees 50,000 per month. The engagement shall be on semester basis as per need, and the application along with relevant documents enclosure may be sent in the prescribed forma to the address mentioning above superscribing the application for post of guest faculty, Department of Dash. And the last date for receipt of soft copy or hard copy of application, complete in all respects, should be 16th of August. That means there are 14 days for thinking and applying.